Hey guys, how's it going? It's John with Kingdom Marketing Lab, and today I want to give you a video on your Facebook pixel and why it's so important to have a Facebook pixel connected to anything as far as a website, as far as a blog, anything external out of Facebook, you can attach a Facebook pixel onto. And why this is so powerful is this is a way for you to be able to track who comes to your website or blog. um, are they male or female? How old are they? Are they using an iPhone or Android? What pages on your website or blog are they going to? How long they was on that page? What are they mostly interested in? Do they speak English? Do they speak another language? This is a way to be able to take a bunch of data that Facebook is collecting and then in the future be able to market to the people that come to your website. This is powerful to take your marketing to the next level. Like, let me give you guys an example. Have you guys ever Googled something and then all of a sudden it came on Facebook and you're wondering, what the heck? I didn't fill out no forms. I didn't do anything. How the heck does Facebook know that I Googled this? Well, the thing about it is all these companies have Facebook pixels. So all you have to do is type into the website, and then if they have a Facebook pixel, boom, you just got tracked. So that's how Facebook knows that you Googled something, because that website had a Facebook pixel on it. It's craziness, right? So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get to your Facebook pixel, because if you don't have it on your website or blog, you are really missing out on key data that is for your customers. I mean, you can nail down, ages between 25 and 44. That way, when you do your marketing, you're specifically targeting the people that will actually end up buying, or you're spending your marketing dollars to people that will hopefully engage and purchase something from you, instead of marketing to people that may not like your brand or may not want to buy anything from your brand. Only the people that is going to engage and potentially purchase. This is why this is so important. So I'm going to show you guys how exactly to get your Facebook pixel, and I want you guys to copy and paste the code, and whoever made your website, I want you to get them on the phone right now and say, hey, I want this Facebook pixel code on my website. I want to be able to track customers and be able to gather all this data, because right now data is king. If you can understand how to read your own data, then you are going to surpass any competition you have in your industry, because you understand the data, right? So what I want you to do is you got to have a Facebook business page in order to get a Facebook pixel. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So right now I'm on my business page, Kingdom Marketing Lab, and what I'm going to do on the left-hand side, mind you, I'm on a laptop right now, so it might be a little bit different on a computer or on a phone, but it's essentially all the same. Okay, so what I'm going to do on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to Ad Center. Okay, once I go to Ad Center, I'm going to hit All Ads. Okay, and this is where it's going to, and then you have to go into your ads manager, okay? If you don't have an ads manager for your page right now, this is where it's going to have you set it up. So just set it up real quick, right? So I'm going to click ad manager. As soon as I click that, one second, let me click it. Let this load real quick. I'm going to show you exactly where to go to pick up this code. You need this code. This code is so important to your business. Most businesses don't even know that it exists, right? And then, come on, come on, come on. And then you're going to hit the bunch of dots up here. And then you're going to go to Events Manager, okay? Once you do that, it's going to load the Events Manager. Hold on, for some reason, my internet's taking forever. And then you're going to go down here. It's going to say continue pixel setup, or it's going to say set up your pixel, right? So you're going to end up hitting that. And this is where you want to be, okay? So to install the code manually, what's going to happen is once you click this, it's going to give you your code, right? So you copy and paste it, call up whoever made your website, or, you know, if you made your blog yourself, copy and paste it in your blog, your website, anything external. And then if you made your website or blog with like a partner, like let's say WordPress or Shopify or Squarespace or Wix or something, you can hit this and it'll integrate with those platforms. So that's how you get your Facebook pixel. It's hugely important, especially for your marketing, especially if you want to know that, like, literally everything with your customers, from age to everything I said earlier. This is a huge, huge deal when it comes to your marketing. And if you don't have a Facebook pixel, you are hugely missing out on a gigantic part of your marketing. So that's the tip I wanted to give you guys today. If you guys need any help with this, let me know. I'll be doing videos, more marketing tips and stuff in the future. With my marketing tips, it's going to be a lot different than most marketing that you see. I want to give you guys the meat and potatoes, right? I want to give you guys ideas that you can implement right now to start seeing success with your business, especially with the social media marketing, right? So I hope this helped, and we will chat with you guys soon.